Ingena iyalandelana imlayezo yokududuza umndeni wakwaMalatjie ngemva kokubhubha kweMeyara yeMalahleni uLinah Malatjie nobaba wakhe. bakwaMalatjie babhubhele engozini yekoloyi eyenzeke ngemva kwe-iri le-10 ebusuku endleleni yee-Verina ngaphandle kweMalahleni. Kanti umtshayeli wekoloyi abatshayisene nawo yena ubhubhe khonokho esehlakalweni sengozi.
We are really shattered. We come with heavy hearts. We don't know how to handle this news. But since this morning, when people were pouring messages of support and condolences, we feel part of the country and we feel that we are not alone.
She was a very committed person in the community of our city. She declared our city as the city of coal and also as the city of God. All the time, during times of trials, tribulations in the community, she's always there. She collected all the drug dealers in our community during the lockdown period. She take them to us as the pastors of iMalahleni. She was highly committed.
Imeyara Umalatjhi uqeda ukukhethwa ngobutsha njengemeyara yeMalahleni mhlapha nje emakhethweni wabohulumende bendawo ngenyanga kaSinyikhaba. Imeyara yeminyaka ema-55 le ubuye godi belunga lomkhandlu wehlangano ye-ANC esifundeni seMpumalanga.